I'm gonna tell you about the time, like, when I, like, basically was, like, you know, left at home. Like, I think I was about, like, 10 years old. You know what I'm saying? My grandmother took my sisters and herself to, like, a church so they could eat or whatever. And they, like, just let me at home. Anyway, so I was alright. I was okay. I was cool as ever. I wasn't like, go freak out or nothing like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I could do, I can't do nothing. You know what I'm saying? I had to, like, just stay home and, like, you know, just be a man about it, you know what I'm saying? I mean, anyway, no, my goodness. I was just up there just, like, basically just, like, doing the thing that I'm supposed to do or whatever. Anyway, so I'm just, like, go ahead and, like, just, like, do a lot of stuff. Like, you know what's saying? There you go. There you go. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming, for real. Oh, good Lord. Hope we don't have it again. I hope we don't have it again. Oh, my goodness. Anyway, so, yeah. It was kind of crazy. Oh, my goodness. It just came out and said, surprise! I was like, whoa! But yeah, I was just up there, just like, chilling until they, like, came back or whatever. That's it. All that stuff was on, you know what I mean? Like, but I wasn't even, like, scared or nothing like that. Just went back in the house. And, like, you know what I'm saying? Chilled up in my room. And that's all I did. I didn't do none of this. I wasn't even mad about it. I wasn't upset or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I was just doing my thing. Anyway, so, yeah. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I sneezed on camera. But, yeah, that's the thing. And because I remember when my sinuses was going crazy and, like, you know what I'm saying? I was sneezing and stop, but y'all already know that. Because I told y'all about that. Anyway, so, anyway, I'm just like, I was just chilling up in my room, just looking at TV or whatever, or, just like daydreaming or whatever. Because that's all I did when I was younger. I just daydreamed. You know what I mean? Daydream about stuff that wasn't even there or whatever. Oh my goodness. It's crazy as ever. Anyway. So yeah, I just like imagining stuff. Like, you know what I'm saying? Be imaginary, be thinking it's like, really there, like, oh my Lord. And then I try to actually like be up there reaching for stuff or whatever. Like, it don't even be there, but I be looking right at it, and then next thing you know, I'm out there just trying to hurry up and catch it. And I looked at like a cat with a ball of yarn or whatever. Like, it's like, what's crazy. But anyway, it was like, something like, it's crazy as ever. It's like, imaginary or whatever, or something like that. Like, I was just up there, like, actually, like, when I seen it, I was like, hold on, wait a minute. Can I touch it or whatever? Next thing you know, nah, it don't be nothing there. It'd be crazy. It's just like be like he messing with me or whatever. But yeah, that's what I did when I was younger. You know what I'm saying? And I was big on imaginations. You know what I mean? Like, it was crazy. Anyway, I'm like, when I do that, it stops me from doing what I'm doing or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It just be like I'm in a trance or whatever. Just be looking at the wall or something for hours. But I don't do that no more. I really don't. Thank goodness. Yeah, because like it's not gonna stop me from doing what I'm supposed to do or whatever. Real. Like wow. It's crazy. But anyway, it was alright. It's okay. I mean like nothing bad didn't happen, I didn't get hurt or nothing. So it was cool. Anyway, I remember when I was like in a whole bunch of like plays. You know what I'm saying? Like in school plays or whatever. And it was kinda cool. You know what I'm saying? It was up there like doing air props, you know what I'm saying, singing, you know what I'm saying. I don't know. It was crazy. It was so much. Plus, in music class, I was getting down with it. But anyway, that's besides the point. So, I'ma just like, basically do what I do, especially if I like, end up making like music or whatever, or something like that. It might come out good or it might come out bad. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause, tell the truth, I'm not used to making that. I'm used to saying words, you know what I'm saying? Pairing lyrics together, but, you know what I'm saying? Creating like a beat is something else though. But, I'll get to it eventually. Anyway, so, yeah, it's not impossible, you know what I'm saying? To do stuff like that, you know what I mean? I'm gonna make sure that, like, everything gonna be possible for me. You feel me? For real. You're not playing on that. I'm serious about it. Anyway, so, I'm gonna just, like, go ahead and, like, do what I got to do, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna work out. It's all gonna work out for me. I already know that. Like, I'm telling you, I'm serious about that. Anyway, so, I'm just like, basically up there, like, and then, like, also, like, all these other places and all that stuff. I remember I was, like, on the subside, you know what I'm saying? I was, like, trying to go to ITT Tech or whatever, like, yeah, but, forgot what street I was supposed to get on so I could catch the bus or whatever over there and all that. So I'm out there just saying college. And this dude almost took me all the way out to the street that said college or whatever. But I guess I got off the bus real quick. Why? Because I don't want to go up there. No. But I think this when I was like, let me see. Yeah, I was 22. I was 22 years old. Yeah. So I was like, whoa. I'm like, well, hold on, wait a minute. So, like, you know, my common sense caught up to me real quick. Like, hold on, wait. But anyway, you know, that's besides the point. Anyway, so like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And hit that bell notification so you can see my previous videos. And I'll make sure I make another one tomorrow. Bye.